Don't pay dearly at the market, make this rich milk jam at home. For this recipe, we will be using 3 tablespoons of sugar. Put in a frying pan. And spreading it like that until all that sugar melts, right? Do this over low heat. So as not to burn the sugar, be very careful when making this syrup. Now add here 100 milliliters of milk. And now we're going to stir really well until all this sugar melts here, right? And people are already enjoying a moment. Already commenting that you are watching us. I'm going to send a super special hug to each of you who are commenting. I will also add a spoonful of butter. And stir very well until the butter melts. And guys, this dulce de leche looks wonderfully amazing. I'm sure everyone will love it. Now I'm going to be adding 395 grams of condensed milk. And stir very well until it starts to thicken. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Ava from Boston. Thank you so much for always being with us. I thank you immensely. Ready guys, the dulce de leche is to stay at this point. That is coming off the pan. I'm going to add it to another container and spread it out a little bit. Here, and I'm going to leave it resting so it can cool down, right? Our dulce de leche is ready. And look at the consistency that got personal, it was wonderful. This dulce de leche was delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it already, share, and see you next time.